Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel, and today we are going to learn Aalto University login. So let's get started. First of all, you have to open up a browser to log in your Aalto University. You can choose any browser you like, and after opening your browser, search for Aalto University login. After searching for that, you can find the first option, login. Just tap on that option, and after tapping on that option, you will come up to this page where you have to enter your Aalto University username, and then you have to enter the password. And after entering those details, what you can do is just tap on login, and after tapping on login, you have successfully logged into your Aalto University. But if you have forgotten the password, what you can do is just reset your password. And to reset password, you just have to tap on reset password, which is on the top, and after tapping on that reset your password, you have to enter your username or email address. And after entering your username or email address, you will receive an email address from the Aalto University, and then you have to open that email address, and in that email address you can reset your account, and in that email address you can reset your password. And after resetting your password, you have to come up to this page, and after coming up to this page, you have to again enter your username and password, and then tap on login. And after doing that, you will successfully log into your Aalto University account. So that's it guys, this is how to log into your Aalto University account. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.